So, of course, you have homework, and it's going to be a lot of fun, this homework. Well, it's always fun because it's mandatory that you have fun in this class. So, your homework. We did the 735 voicing for the major seventh chord. Remember? Root position, C major 7. Only this time we're going to play the 735 voicing, and we still have our same C major 7 chord. C major, do the same thing with F major. Root 735, root in the bass. And what I'd like you to do for homework is just practice those two chords. Maybe give each chord 4 beats. Or you can play it in 3/4 time and give each chord 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. And what you can do is you can break up the chord a little bit and arpeggiate it, which means not to play all the notes at the same time. Or maybe do 2 measures of 3 and then 2 measures of 3 for F. So you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Maybe arpeggiate a little bit. Okay. 735 voicing. Same thing for the dominant 7th chord. Root position dominant 7, 1, 3, 5, flat 7. 735 voicing, flat 7, 3, 5, with the root and the bass. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, go to F7. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about a G7? G triad. Take the 7th, which is always a half step down from the root. Remember, 7th is always a half step down from the root. And then we take it down again to a flat 7. So your G7 is G, B, D, F. And if we did the 735 voicing, we have F, which is our flat 7, B, which are 3, D, which is a 5, and a G in the bass. So we have our G7 chord. All the white keys. F7, C7. Giving each chord 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. G7, C7. And I want you to practice this by playing a blues progression using the 735 voicing. So you'll go C, 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 then F, back to C, then G, F, C, G, back to C, C, F, C, G, F, and then C. It's a nice little ending there. I like to call that the big ending. And it's very easy to play. It's just C, down a whole step, down a half step, down a half step, down a half step, bum, 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 bum. Then it's just G, A, B, C, G, A, B, C. Bum, 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 G, A, B, C, C, B flat, A flat, G, A, B, C. In the left hand, to those of you who can put both hands together, it will be C, E, F, G flat, then G, A, B, C. Ba, 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 boom, ba, da, boo, ba. C, E, F, G flat, G, A, B, C. So both hands together, you have the C7 chord at the end. So if you were playing the last 4 bars of the blues, you have G, F, and big ending here. Ba, ba, boom, boom, boo, da, boo, boom. There you go. Now go have fun, guys. 15 minutes of practice. Guys, I forgot to add one more thing to your homework. And that is, I would like for you to write your own chord chart. And I want you to just write a blues, okay? Create a chord chart that's a 12-bar blues, similar to what we did. Only I want you to do it by hand on manuscript paper, okay? Just so you get used to seeing it, you get used to writing it, and it'll be a lot of fun. How do I know it's going to be fun? Because I've already told you it's mandatory that you have fun. All right? So you're going to create your very own chord chart. C blues. All right. Get to work.